Gonna time it.
Hello. You can
Mm,
greet the people.
hello.
Why is your tongue so blue?
It's pain pop.
What is pain pop?
It's like such a lollipop that makes your tongue blue.
Now, why would you eat something that makes your tongue blue?
Because it tastes very nice. It's like sweet.
If it makes your tongue blue, then what do you think it does to your insides? Huh?
Think it's blue?
I make cunt. Why? Is there anything you want to say there to the people?
First things first, don't listen to your mothers.
Is that now what you tell the people?
Second, you see, they always say that because they are olden days. That's why.
What does olden days means?
That you guys only using the olden days. Now explain what a jolly sticker is.
I don't know.
Yes.
But aren't you? What do you mean with olden days?
I mean it
You
like
want to say oldish or something like that? What do you
no,
mean?
like I mean you guys are so old. You guys don't know like such kind of stuff as in in the present.
The like this jelly stick or what's the
Yes,
thing you're
jelly
talking about?
stickers.
Now why must I care about stuff
But
like
do you
that?
know what it is?
No, and I don't care. Why should I care?
And then yours is paper now, but you just rub off now. A book and then you eat it now, then turn into a baba gum.
Is it?
Yes.
Where's that?
It's created. Japan.
Where and do you live in Japan?
And it's in America and this country.
Now where did you get? Did you eat one yet?
No.
What is speaking of it?
But I know what it is.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that called dreaming? Because you haven't yet eaten it, but you speak about it. You speak about something that you haven't eaten yet, haven't seen yet personally.
I'm right now eating it.
No, that is the blue painting that colors your whole body on the inside, my child.
Remember, this is white now. And now, the paint pop now. That did color it now. My tongue was now still blue now. And now did color my.
Colors the bubblegum even that you're eating after the paint pop. My goodness. So you are eating paint now here.
No,
whatever.
it's fake.
Fake paint. If
And
it was,
then,
I might.
Then we have this Rowland thing now, what you lick now. And there comes juice up. What is that? Actually, no line. Like you don't know present stuff.
I don't know the present stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I might.
Now tell me all the
According to
flavors of it.
I don't sell belang, my child. I don't sell belang.
Anyways,